Hey.
Is there any problem? Why do you stop me?
So? Why did I stop you?
Yes.
So I shouldn't have stopped you.
Yes, no.
Hey! Onye monoshi luha. Don't you know how to greet? Huh?
Why should I greet you? Are you my father?
Oh, mamo. Oh, onye monoshi husa. Why should you greet me?
Yes.
If I am your father? So because I am not your father, I don't deserve your greetings. Where can I take from? Hey! Oh! Chifi mi ga kutele one. Iga kutele one. Ekelem ge Mario. Egypt na Gracio. So because I am not your father, as small as you are, do you have parents?
Yes, of course.
And your parents allow you to go out like this? They are in support of this your look. Because whoever that allow you to go out like this deserve to be hanged on the cross of Mary. Calvary. They were messed upon. But your parents, whoever that allow you come out like this, should be nailed on the cross without no mercy. At this age, how old are you?
Why do you want to know my age?
Of course, I need to know. Let me camera me while I got my baby. Mama, camera. Let me know if you are an adult child or because some people will look small, but their age is big. How old are you?
Well, I'm +9.
+9, Nkete. That means you're not even up to 10 years. Hey! We dey talk about the people who don't spoil over there. A lot of things have spoiled within us. So, you are 9 years old. And you're already dressing like this. Purple hair, pink, red, black, green, white, yellow. There's all devilish color on you. Do you go to school at all?
Yes, of course.
You go to school?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes.
And the school authorities allow you enter school like this?
Nobody questioned me because my mother has money.
Oh, nebe kelekwe ministry ba no pi ugbokoro. Ahuna mi ihe mere na ijiri rotiri. Your mother has money.
Yes.
And that is why you are this spoiled. That is, what's your name?
Why do you want to know my name?
I want to know your name. Let me know whether it's your name that is a problem or your father's name. What is your own name?
My name is Sonia.
Whoever that gave birth to you, why are somewhere? What's our fire for 4 days? Lack of home training. Giving birth to children is not just it. Now to train them. What is your mother's name?
Why do you want to know her?
I need to know her name. Camera mawa her ass, yeah. Mago 1 minute. Is your mother serving mommy water? Because it is only women that serve mommy water, their children can behave like. Not all of them. Oh. If you are possessed by the water spirit or whatever, that is when you behave like this. There's no child that is legitimately giving birth by its parents that will behave this way. You see an elderly person, give me shigote, give me yote, akujanya bam bam bam. Gam na zonwa mami water.
I don't have your time. I don't have your time. Just go and rest. Go and rest.
If there is anybody that needs rest, your parents need to rest, so and they will not just rest, they should go and rest in peace. They should go and rest in peace.
Chief.
Look at that little brat. Look at that thing.
You mean this more purity?
You know her?
You don't know her? Her mother is that big woman. We get that big house, that white house for junction now. Nah, mama, nah. They get money, like they get better money. They spoil this girl. If you see the way this girl is insult her papa, this girl is insult her papa like small pikin. Now so they do. No follow and talk.
Now she be their only child.
Now she be their only child. They don't get any other pikin. Now why they spoil and finish?
Hey!
I tell you, the last time so she insult her teacher finish. The teacher flog her. Her mama come school, come arrest the teacher for 1 week.
Huh?
The teacher sleep for self.
Next thing I don't know. Close my phone. This same thing. What would they talk about? No. Come on, go house. Go house. Go house. Go stay. I will come. You're gonna do like a person will train you. We are talking about training here. You cannot even comport. You want to show them I didn't train you too. Even though human beings, they didn't train them well. Come on, dog, one. Even now, one it's a nego, again. As a nego. It's so police,
Chief. See what I go tell you, eh? The next time you go see this girl, eh? Just look one side, they go where they go. No for that talk. Not unless say you won't make her mama find you come.
No, she go find me come.
I dey tell you.
The woman must find you come.
I don't tell you now. If you see her, just walk out, they go your way. Make she they go her way.
Thank you.
Now small demon.
Small demon.
I go my own.
And me be elderly demon.
I don't go my own.
And me be elderly demon.
If I don't tell you.
If your mama like, may she be the goddess of goddess. I will give it to her, fire to fire, square meter to square meter. Is she okay? How can she raise a child like this and allow her to spoil? Okay, but I can't wow. If she's passing around, I have a child, I don't born one. She's still childless, so like this. Except they will go, if not, this one, they don't plant the seed of discord inside her. Nothing again. Before I mess up or something, let's Holy Spirit she from Eluwe. Some people will give birth to children and they will allow them to spoil because you have money. What nonsense money? Will money buy you reputation? Will money buy character? She's a female child for that matter. And she will not live with you forever. When you raise her like this, she will end up insulting everybody. And at the end of the day, she will bring tears to you. So it's better we put our hands together. These days, if you flog a child in the school, the parents will go and lock you up. Because you are trying to train a child. I'm not saying bullying. There's a difference between flogging a child for him or she to correct her mistake. There's a difference between bullying and flogging. But these days, parents, if you just over there, the parents will carry police, go to school. Because of what? They have money. Now look at small brats. Calling me an old man. Very soon, she will talk to snake and tabu begin walking that motherless mother. Hey! So this kind of brat today for this estate, and I'm not telling me. I go open eye for you. I will open eye for you. Nga kam ga no na get dey pass ku nonsense. Mboro tale piago. Nega sa ja police yakpo police mbori apito bi. Stupid people. What akiri wu mami water no nwe. Hey! Then I won't get them now, but two of them are best of the self. Gariba, open gate for me. Gariba.